Southern Manufacturing has become a very important show in the UK calendar.
The bigger, better and far more fascinating show with huge amounts of innovation.
If you look at how the show has progressed year after year after year, it's become, the standout show for our industry and every other industry that the show supports.
So shows like Southern Manufacturing are absolutely vital. It's a great opportunity for the community to get together. You've only got to look around the show to just see how enthusiastic people are.
If you stand still in this industry, the whole world will pass you by.
The industry changes all the time, and for us it's really important to stay in touch with what technologies are coming to the market, what our customers are doing.
Learning really what other people are doing, catching up with some of the latest trends.
There's lots of ways that companies can hopefully be inspired to adopt some new technologies.
General manufacturing through to aerospace and electronics.
Technology shown on the show is absolutely amazing. There's a lot of new manufacturing techniques, technology, 3D printing.
It's been quite an eye-opener. Large CNC machines that have been implemented in here. Didn't realise that you could do that.
A lot of people that are looking at artificial intelligence, which I think is the next big thing in manufacturing, and people are wondering where it is. You can come here and you can actually speak to the people that are doing it and making it happen.
So finding more efficient and effective ways to produce and manufacture electronics is really, really important.
Great seeing so many young people, so many students here yesterday and looking at the engineers they want to be in the future.
It's been so encouraging, and they're not just walking around and picking up pens. They've been sitting in the conferences and the seminars, they've been chatting to people, asking questions, collecting business cards.
But it's also a way for employers to learn about new ways in which they can bring on new people, young people especially, to try and fill some of the skills gaps that they have within the industry.
It's really actually has warmed my heart to see how encouraging everybody are, and they're our future.
It's a very interesting show for us because this is a meeting place for the entire supply chain of electronics manufacturing.
I think the speaker programme looks very interesting this year. I've already seen one or two people, looking forward to seeing some more.
It's a critical part of the ecosystem really, so that we can be aligned, we know what everybody else is doing and tell everybody what we're doing.
To have expert and technical conversations, but also an opportunity to boost your network and explore your outreach.
But I think nothing beats that interaction. I mean, we've met with so many peer companies here, we've learnt a lot about the industry, we're building our knowledge network.
It's about that networking opportunity, coming out of our office and making the time to make those connections. Really important for every sector, I think.
We've got the right people wanting to make the right changes and drive our industry forward.
That ability to kind of network and speak with everybody, be in one place, even in the evening, just having a drink in that relaxed environment to have a chat.
To start the conversations, because it is all about starting.
If we hadn't come to Southern Manufacturing, we wouldn't have had that interaction.
So everybody comes together to learn, to contribute, to network.
Great companies here, really good opportunities.